toy review titled Q&A with me and Dad. For our first review, we will be featuring the Marvel Avengers Infinity Gauntlet by Hasbro. Out from the box, here is the actual Gauntlet figure.
How heavy is it, Simon?
It weighs at about 1.2 kilograms approximately. It feels solid and sturdy despite of it being made out of plastic.
How long or big is the gauntlet?
It is 49.5 centimeters long from the bottom part up to the fingertips and about 42 centimeters in closed fist position. It has a golden bronze color with a bit of weathering painted on it.
Does that mean that the gauntlet moves, Simon?
Yes, it has articulated fingers in which you can actually control them when you insert your left arm inside and clean each of your fingers on the rings. When you move the fingers, it will trigger an electronic sound like this, which is like in the movie Sound FX. The stone also has a pulsating glow in which it represents each stone by color, same as in the movie. The orange one represents the soul stone. Red is the reality, also known as the ether. Blue is the space, which is the tesseract. The purple is the power stone. The green one is time stone, also known as the eye of Agamotto. And last but not the least is the yellow, which is the mind stone. If you want to activate the lights and sound without wearing the gauntlet, simply press the Mind Stone here at the center. Short press will turn the lights on for at least 70 seconds, and a bit longer press will activate it more than 30 minutes. If you want to turn off the lights manually, just press the Mind Stone again until the lights turn off.
Battery operated?
Yes, of course, Daddy. Though the box does not include the batteries when you buy it. It only requires 3 AA size batteries. The battery compartment is located in this part of the gauntlet. Beside it is also the speaker. It also has a fist lock display mode feature which allows you, or if you want to display it in the closed fist position.
So closed fist means you're ready to fight?
Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and don't forget to smash that like button.